dia juga untuk tanya jawab. John, thank you for your opening remarks. And again, welcome to Indonesia. Saya akan set a place that is known for passion, but not only as a place where you originated, but your experience have brought you to various parts around the world, New Zealand, obviously Canada. How do you feel that your country of origin, known by, you mentioned obviously Consett, a place that is known for passion, but not only as a place where you originated, but your experience have brought you to various parts around the world, New Zealand, obviously Canada. How do you feel that your country of origin, known obviously for football, not only that, but also your experience in other parts of the world can translate here and implement it in the program for Indonesian football?
Yeah, I think firstly, the experience of adapting to different cultures, football cultures, social cultures, it's part of the experience of living, understanding, breathing the culture. So I've traveled with my wife, my daughter, my son. Dr. Milan have traveled with me to different countries to experience football, but the people. And I think this is a major part of the experience here in Indonesia. To breathe with the fans, to understand what it really means to the people. And I think that's a starting point. You have to feel the fabric of the country. And on feeling it, you understand it. And from understanding it, you can now build the football culture internally, in the locker room. You know what to fight for. You know when to fight. You know how to bring the passion of the fans and connect it to the dressing room, to the players. I think that's been a huge part of moving from New Zealand, understanding Maori culture, understanding the gritty Canadian culture, and now coming to Indonesia and understand what the Garuda Membra really is. I think that's going to be a huge part of what it will take to qualify this team for the World Cup in 2030. Being ready to really feel what the fans need, then connect everything together.
Thank you, Coach. Saya terutama menanya karena bukan hanya negeri berasal dia, yaitu Inggris dari Consett yang terkenal untuk sepak bola, tapi pengalaman dia sudah membawa dia ke New Zealand dan Kanada untuk melatih, dan apa yang bisa diterapkan untuk role dia sebagai pelatih kepala di Indonesia, dan terutama dia ingin lebih mengenali kebudayaan kita, bukan hanya dari sisi sepak bola, sosial juga. Karena selama ini dia melatih di negara yang berbeda, itu dia selalu membawa keluarganya juga, dan Dr. Milan juga untuk terutama mengenali kebudayaan dan fans sepak bola di negara tersebut. Karena itu menjadi titik mulai yang tepat untuk dia bisa menyambungi keinginan dan passion dari para fans sepak bola dengan timnasnya sendiri, dan di situ dia bisa lebih menyatui visinya, bukan hanya dari fans tapi menyambungi itu sama pemain dan timnya sendiri. Contohnya di New Zealand ada kebudayaan dari Maori. Nah, ini gimana caranya untuk bisa menerapkan kebudayaan tersebut sama timnasnya sendiri. Ataupun dari Kanada, di mana Kanada itu, untuk rekan-rekan media yang tahu, itu isi dengan banyak orang dari berbagai ras dan negara lain juga. Jadi terutama itu menjadi kunci untuk bisa menyampai tujuan lebih besar lagi, yaitu kualifikasi